In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Smartsheet project tracking and roll up. We'll walk through how to start from a blank Smartsheet home screen and quickly set up a full project tracking and roll up solution using one of Smartsheet's built-in templates. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to search for, and how to get the template created and ready for your own projects. First, open Smartsheet and look at the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see a vertical toolbar. Near the top of that bar, there's a plus icon. Go ahead and click that plus sign. This is your starting point whenever you want to create something new in Smartsheet, such as a sheet, report, dashboard, or in this case, a template solution. After you click the plus sign, a new panel or window will open with different options. Here, you're looking for the link or button that says View All Templates. Click on View All Templates. This takes you to the full template gallery, where Smartsheet keeps its ready-made solutions for different use cases like project management, marketing, IT, and more. Once you're in the template gallery, move to the search bar, usually at the top of the page. Click into that search field and type Project Tracking and Roll Up. Then press Enter or click the search icon. Smartsheet will filter the available templates and show you results that match what you've typed. From those search results, look for the template that best matches Project Tracking and Roll Up. When you find it, click on the template to select it. This will usually open a preview pane or a details page where you can see a description of the template, what's included, and sometimes preview images of the sheets and dashboards. On that template details page, there will be a button that says Create from Template. Click on Create from Template. This tells Smartsheet to add a copy of that full solution into your own workspace so you can edit it without affecting the original. After you click that button, Smartsheet will guide you through a few on-screen prompts. Follow those prompts carefully. You may be asked to name your new solution, choose where to save it, and confirm which items are included, such as project sheets, roll-up reports, and dashboards. Take a moment to choose a clear name and destination folder so you can find it easily later. Once the prompts are complete, Smartsheet will create your project tracking and roll-up solution, and you'll be ready to start customizing it with your own project data.